Hi, my name is Mike Tyrell from IMG. Our job here at Make Ready is to verify the alignments of all the machines that come into our facility and to attach any and all accessories required by the customer. Our job is to put out the best quality item that we can so that it helps our service and our customers.
We received our ISO 9001-2015 registration in February of 2018. And that means to our customers that we prepare every machine the same way, and we try to continuously improve whenever possible. And the key to that is to have feedback from our customers, and that's what makes the whole system work.